You are now watching Gaston Network from Morpeth. We are very sorry to interrupt you, but we do really have some very sad news for you all. Because of this, Prince Phillip passed away at Buckingham Palace. This is the main reason. How did he die? It's because of cancer. And not only that, but our channel is finally shutting down due to the death of Prince Phillip. But because of this, Gaston Network will now be replaced with Gonamate Network. It can see all your favorite shows, but the Gonamate Network programs are the same as Gaston Network programs from that time. We thank for your cooperation after almost a century of broadcast days. We'll see you on Gonamate Network tomorrow. Until now, goodbye.